Welcome to today's 10th standard maths class. Let's continue the chapter quadratic equation. Today let's solve real life situations using factorization of quadratic equation. Now this is very important example, children, because here we have to take the speed, that is science and maths both are related here. That's why a motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. So, you know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. By using that formula, we have to find the speed of the stream. Before solving this, you have to know the meaning of upstream and downstream. Now, upstream means the speed of stream that is against water. That means when you go upstream, it is always minus. Downstream is the speed is along with the water. So, the direction is along with the water, it is always plus. So, this you have to remember. So, here I have taken the speed of stream be x kilometer per hour, and therefore the speed of the boat upstream, that is 18 minus x. Why it is 18 minus x? Because it is given the motor boat speed is 18 kilometer. So, 18 minus x upstream, that is minus. Similarly, speed of the boat downstream, that is always plus, I told. That is why 18 plus x kilometer per hour. And we know that speed is given by distance by time. Here we want time. So, time taken to go to upstream, that is, now if you take that distance divided by speed. Speed is distance by time. Now time is distance by speed. This you have learned in physics, right? So that is equal to, what is the distance it has covered? It is given in the question, that is 24 kilometer. Right? 24 kilometer is the distance, and divided by, what is the speed of upstream? That is 18 minus x. So this much is the time taken. Similarly, time taken to go to downstream, again the distance is same, that is 24 kilometer divided by 18 plus x hours. Now, according to the question they have given, it is in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometer upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. So, here the downstream, it is more time, it is taking more time. That is why 24 divided by 18 minus x minus 24 by 18 plus x. Now, what is the difference here? 1 hour more. That is why the difference will give you 1 hour. So, like this we have to frame the equation here. Now, cross LCM we can take or cross multiply, so that we get the quadratic equation. After that we can solve by factorization, or by using formula also you can do this. Simplify by taking the LCM. Now 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x is equal to 1. Here divided by the LCM is 18 minus x into 18 plus x. Now cross multiply this and simplify the numerator. 24 into 18, that is 432. 24 into x, that is plus 24x. Again minus 24 into 18, again we will get 432, but it is minus. Now minus into minus, that is plus 24x is equal to 18 minus x and 18 plus x will be multiplied to 1. So, is it the same number? Now, look at this. It is in the form of identity a minus b, a plus b. So, that is equal to a square minus b square. 18 square minus x square. Now 432 will get cancelled because both are having plus or minus sign. 24x plus 24x, that is 48x, is equal to 18 square, that is 324, minus x square. Now rearrange this so that we will get the quadratic equation. Minus x square, I will bring it to the left hand side, minus sign changes to plus, then plus 48x because I have not changed the places. Here 324 will be minus 324 is equal to 0. Now we got the quadratic equation. Either by using quadratic formula or factorization you can solve this equation. Now here I will be using quadratic formula. So I am writing what is A, B, C. What is A, children? X square, the coefficient is 1. B, it is plus 48. C, it is minus 324. Now we will write the formula, that is minus B square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Here it is plus or minus, right? So we will substitute minus 48 minus or plus or minus square root of B square, that is 48 square minus 4 into A, 1. C is minus 324 divided by 2 into A, that is 2 into 1. So we will get here minus 48 plus or minus B square, 48 square. What is 48 square? We have to calculate. Now if you simplify here, 48 square is 2304 and minus 4 into minus 324. So minus into minus is plus. That is why we get here plus 1296. I have done here rough work, divided by 2. Now once again you simplify, adding these two we will get 3600. Now 3600 is the square root of 3600. It's easy to calculate. 36 is the square root of 36 is 6. So 3600 is 60. Then we will simplify further. So square root is 60 minus 48 plus or minus 60 divided by 2. So here we get two values, minus 48 plus 60 divided by 2 or minus 48 minus 60 divided by 2. Now let's simplify this. The greater number sign is 60. So here you will get plus 12 divided by 2. Or here both are having negative sign, right? So minus minus you can add. So that will be equal to 108, that is minus sign divided by 2. So if you simplify we will get 6 or minus 54. Now here there are two values, children. Now which one will you consider? Because the speed we can calculate or time or distance, anything. It should be positive, it cannot be negative. So ignore this, okay. Minus 54 we cannot take this. So we can consider plus 6 here. Therefore we can take x is equal to 6 and speed of the stream. Therefore speed of the stream is 6 kilometer per hour, right? We cannot take minus sign. Like this we can calculate speed or any distance or time or real life situations problem using quadratic equations. Thank you for watching this video, children. Have a nice day.